Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now.
Delicious chocolate-coated coconut balls. These no-fuss and no-bake sweet treats are perfect for festive gifting, celebrations, or whenever you're craving something sweet. Made with simple ingredients like desiccated coconut, condensed milk, crunchy cashew nuts, juicy raisins, and finished with an irresistible chocolate coating. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for chocolate-coated coconut balls. This recipe is quick to make, beginner-friendly, requires no complicated equipment like an oven, and they turn out perfectly delicious every time. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious chocolate-coated coconut balls. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. We have taken 2 cups of desiccated coconut which weighs around 160 to 170 grams. We have also taken 400 grams of condensed milk, 20 medium-sized cashew nuts cut into pieces, 2 tablespoons of raisins cut into pieces, half teaspoon of vanilla essence, 250 grams of milk chocolate cut into smaller pieces. You will need 1 tray lined with parchment or butter paper. Step 2. Preparing the coconut mixture. On low heat in an open thick bottom pan, add the desiccated coconut. Lightly dry roast it for 1 to 2 minutes. Stir continuously and ensure the coconut does not change color. Now add the cashew nuts. Stir everything nicely for a minute. Now add the raisins. Stir everything properly so that the dry fruits are evenly distributed throughout the coconut mixture. Lower the flame and start adding the condensed milk gradually. Keep stirring continuously until the mixture comes together.
Hello everyone! Do check out our new channel, Get Cooking Global, for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. The link for the channel is provided in the comments and description box. Or simply comment Get Cooking Global and we will send you the link.
The mixture should be soft but not very sticky. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Once done, put the heat off. Add the vanilla essence. This gives a mild, pleasant flavor without overpowering the coconut. Mix everything nicely. Keep the mixture aside for it to cool slightly. Step 3. Preparing the coconut balls. While the mixture is still warm, lightly wet your hand. Take a small portion of the mixture and shape them into smooth, even-sized balls. Place it on a plate or baking tray lined with butter paper. Prepare the other balls accordingly. Once done, allow them to cool completely. Once they cool down, cover and keep them in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours to firm up. Step 4. Preparing the chocolate-coated coconut balls. Use the double boiler method. Fill the bottom pan with 2 inches of water. Place a metal or glass container above and keep it on low heat. Add the chocolate pieces. Use any type of chocolate, dark or white chocolate, bars or chips. Melt the chocolate in a completely dry bowl because water will make the mixture grainy or lumpy. Stir the chocolate with a dry spoon or spatula. Keep stirring the chocolate continuously. Stir until all the pieces of chocolate have melted. Chocolate should become smooth and velvety. Melted chocolate is ready. Dip each coconut ball into the melted chocolate. Lift it using a toothpick and let the excess chocolate drip off. Then place the chocolate covered balls on a tray lined with parchment or butter paper. You can also use a plate. Similarly, coat the remaining coconut balls. Once all the coconut balls are coated and placed on the parchment or butter paper, sprinkle a little desiccated coconut on each ball while the chocolate is still wet. Allow them to set at room temperature, then refrigerate for 15 to 20 minutes until firm. Place the coconut balls in an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. Do write a comment and give us your feedback on this recipe. Also let us know which other recipes you would want us to prepare. Delicious chocolate coated coconut balls are ready. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.